Hey, this is Brock with Arcan RV. We're debuting the 2021 Winnebago Voyage 2427 RV. It's a rear bath trailer. Just want to kind of go over some of the features of the trailer here with you. You got your power front tongue jack here, standard with Winnebago. Two 30-pound propane tanks there for extended stay camping there. And a nice one-piece molded fiberglass front cap here with LED lighting. We'll come around to the side here. You get a nice little rock guard in the front here as well. But the Voyage line does all drop frame technology here. So it's on drop frame chassis, giving you an extra large storage capacity here. Really nice LED lighting within the pass-through, and it is a heated pass-through as well. They've got ducting from the furnace directly into this pass-through as well for you. This is their little universal docking center. You're gonna have a 110, you're gonna have satellite cable hookups here. It's gonna be pre-wired for solar directly to your docking center here as well. Your battery disconnect, your fills, and your spray port are all in this universal docking center as well. If you'd really like, you can run your connection straight up through here, so you can have this pass-through compartment closed at all times as well. So with the Voyage line, we have the electric stabilizer jacks. All four corners are covered that way for you to give it a really nice sturdy stance. And coming around the back side here, you can see the extra large windows. That is because of the exterior height of this unit. It is a lot higher than typical travel trailers, incorporating the drop frame technology and the 7-foot ceilings within inside the trailer as well there for you. If we come around to the back, you're going to notice that you have a ladder, so your roof is accessible. You'll be able to check your seals, do any kind of maintenance that you need on your roof, as well as a 2-inch receiver here that's welded directly into the frame. So if you're looking for a bike rack or whatever it is that you're wanting to haul along for your camping trip, you can certainly do that there for you. You notice a large LED lit power awning on the front of this unit here. It's covering both entry doors. Yes, this is a 2-door unit, only 27 feet in length, so it gives you a lot of versatility that way. You're going to get the larger grab handle and the solid steps on the main entry here. Aluminum steps and a triple step entry for the bedroom there as well. And the door is going to be on a friction hinge. So, 40-50 kilometer-hour winds, you're not worried about this slamming. You're not worried about having to lasp it to the side of your trailer here as well. But come on over here for just a second. I really want to be able to show you the exact size of the drop frame technology here in the pass-through compartment. Can't really get a good visual of it on the other side with the docking center, but very large compartment, and as you can see, it is a heated, inducted front storage compartment there. Let's head on in the inside. So your motor control panel is right there, your main entry. It's going to have your awning, your slides, all your lights, your electric water heater, your water pump, basically everything in one spot there for you. So this is a rear bath. It is giving you a rather large rear bath with a lot of storage. You're going to have a pull-out drawer, medicine cabinet, and a linens closet there with a towel rack. And as you can see inside the bathroom there, they are using MCD roller shades. They're kind of like blackout blinds, which is a bit of a high-end feature that you only find typically on fifth wheels in that larger price point there. Glass radius shower, very large shower. You can have a lot of elbow room there. It'll fit most human beings pretty easily there, and it does have a pocket door there, so they're keeping in mind things clean, neat, making sure that there's no doors in your way. As you can see along the back side of the trailer here, this is a theater seat option. There's a couple of different ways you can retrofit the rig here, but this one is our theater seats. It comes with a nice little TV dinette kind of stand here that you could hook up onto your theater seats there, and they are recliners as well. Now with the Voyage line, they do give you the option for the bigger fridge, which is what we used in this one here. It's a 12 cubic foot two-way refrigerator, runs on propane and electric there for you. Very, very large storage capacity in this fridge. As you can see in the kitchen here, you've got some really nice cabinetry. It is lined with glass inserts, and it is double shelved there, so you've got plenty of storage space to be able to put in any of your items there. You're coming along. A recessed single bowl stainless steel sink with a residential style spray faucet here for you. And a nice bank of drawers, full extension roller glide drawers here for you, which is great. Glass mounted cooktop there for you with oven and a 30-inch convection microwave for any of those needs as well. All of our Voyages come with a fireplace that's capable of producing up to about 5,500 BTUs worth of heat, and it is ducted in underneath here for your hot air that's going to be blowing out from your furnace. Instead of having vents registers along the floor of the trailer there, keeping it nice, clean finish there for you. Now these run on a Connect system for your entertainment. You know, you got your CD, you got your DVD. They do have HDMI and Bluetooth capability within this unit here. That's great because the cell phone charger's right here. So you know what, if you're doing, if you want to charge your phone, keep your phone charged, plug in an HDMI maybe to run some sort of movie, video for your family on the TV, you can certainly do that. I did skip over the large walk-in pantry in the front here. It is what it is called, a large walk-in pantry. You can store a lot of things. Maybe it's your coats, your shoes, and any additional items that you bring in there as far as food or snacks and those kind of things for your camping experience. So, and on the way to the back to the bedroom here, once again integrating a pocket door here. So making sure they're keeping doors out of your way. Very, very nice touch from Winnebago there. Not having sliding doors all over the place, keeping them nice and clean. We did do the king bed in this this trailer here, so it is still a fully walk-around king bed with plenty of storage and counter space for anything that you're going to be putting on the sides here. So you know, your cell phone, maybe your keys, wallet, CPAP machine, those kind of different things. And very deep cabinetry that is hinged here, staying open for you instead of having to keep it open and use one arm to place your items in there. And both cabinets here do have the coat hooks for your larger, you know what, t-shirts, sweaters, those kind of things that you might be bringing camping as well. I think that about wraps it for the Winnebago Voyage. This is the 2021 Winnebago Voyage 2427 RV. Thank you very much. Give us a shout if you need anything, and you can always find us at our website at arcanrv.com. Take care.